What's up, tubes? And we are going to go start looking at four-wheeler, see if it starts again. How do I fix this? I guess I'm just gonna have to do this. There it is. Yeah, there it is. This is kind of weird right now because I'm not comfortable sitting like doing it like this. Oh snap! Fix this. Okay, so turn the key. Now I gotta fix this down here. This thing is probably. So here we go. Let's fix this again. It's not. Oh, I forgot about this. Come on, start. It wants to, but it won't. It won't start up for a while now. It wants to, but it won't. It wants to start, but it just won't. I do not know why. So, okay, see you later, tubes.